Munchies, welcome to the channel if you're new, or if you're not, I'm Alicia and I am stoked you're here either way. Today we are making my Eggless Oatmeal chocolate chip cookies, and I have to say, these are some of the best cookies I have ever made. They're chewy and oaty and perfectly salty sweet. You can't go wrong with these easy egg-free treats. I have done quite a few egg-free cookies in the past, but I was missing an oatmeal one. In a bowl, use a hand mixer to cream together butter, white sugar, and brown sugar until smooth and fluffy. Then add milk and vanilla extract and beat to integrate. In a separate bowl, whisk together flour, baking soda, and salt. Add your dry ingredients into the wet and use a spatula to mix. Then it's time to fold in your oats and chocolate chips. At this point, if your dough seems too sticky, you can transfer it to the fridge for about 30 minutes so it becomes more manageable to scoop. Using a 4-teaspoon cookie scoop, spoon your cookie dough directly onto a baking sheet lined with parchment and sprayed and flatten them out slightly. Then all that's left to do is bake. They will spread. Allow your cookies to cool for about 5 minutes and then transfer them to a wire rack. And enjoy. Wow! They are so chewy and delicious, you would never know they're egg-free. A perfect sweet treat. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy egg-free cookie recipe. I did another video of egg-free cookies with a free ebook. If you want to check those out, I will link it below. And as always, you can head to mindovermunch.com for this recipe and more. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for new videos all the time. I'll see you soon, and remember, it's all a matter of mind over munch.